Okay, let's talk about life in between your nail appointments because that's when things start looking a little questionable. This is when I pull out this electric nail drill instead of trying to ignore a grown out manicure. We were sent this one to test out, and this electric nail drill kit is not for replacing the salon. It's for maintaining things until you get back there. Fixing the lift, smoothing edges, cleaning up cuticles, and taking down bulk so your nails don't look so rough. You guys know what I'm talking about. This thing is cordless, it's rechargeable, which I love because I'm not trying to be attached to an outlet while I'm fixing one nail that's bothering me. It comes with the different drill bits and sanding bands, and each one actually has a purpose. I use the softer bits for smoothing and shaping, and the sanding bands are great for gently taking down gel, dip, or acrylic that's grown out. What I like is that it's easy to control. You don't need to be a professional. You can go slow, adjust the speed, and just clean things up instead of going in aggressive and ruining your nails. This is especially helpful when one nail chips, lifts, or gets thicker than the rest. You know, when you leave sometimes and you're like, why is my nail 10 times thicker than all the others? Instead of panicking or picking at it, you can just smooth it down and make everything look great again. I also use it for basic manicure and pedicure cleanup. Either you can use it for buffing, shaping, tidying up the cuticles. Nothing fancy, it's just like maintenance. It saves me from booking an emergency nail appointment or walking around with nails that clearly need help. Overall, this is a really handy tool. If you get your nails done regularly like I do, but want them to stay looking decent in between those visits, this is a simple, convenient, and it does exactly what you need it to do without overdoing it.